Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef morcon. First, select a good cut of beef, such as flank steak, and flatten it to about 1/4 inch thick. Next, prepare your delicious filling. This typically includes ground pork, shredded cheese, and finely diced vegetables like carrots and pickles. Spread this mixture evenly over the entire surface of the beef, leaving a small border. Now it's time to roll your morcon. Start from one end and roll the beef tightly, ensuring the filling stays securely inside. This step is crucial for a compact and well-formed morcon. Once rolled, use kitchen twine to tie it securely at about 1-inch intervals. This prevents it from unraveling during cooking and helps maintain its shape. Next, we'll brown the morcon. Heat a pan with a little oil and sear the rolled beef on all sides until it develops a nice golden brown crust. This adds depth of flavor. Then, pour in your braising liquid, usually a mix of soy sauce, tomato sauce, and beef broth. Bring it to a simmer, cover, and cook for 2 to 3 hours until the beef is fork tender. Finally, once your morcon is cooked to perfection, remove it from the pot and let it rest for about 15 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and flavorful result. Carefully remove the kitchen twine. Then, slice the morcon into beautiful 1/2 inch thick rounds. Serve it with the rich sauce and enjoy your homemade beef morcon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.